Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix enter your pin to restore your chat history on Facebook. So this will be a step-by-step guide. I want you to look closely as we go through them. So guys, step number one, identify the prompt. So a prompt will appear when you log into your new device. All right, so after that, go to step number two. It says choose forgot pin. Okay, so on your new device, click on forgot pin and look for that option if you don't remember your current pin. Now, step number three, select the recovery method. So recovery method, you have two methods. You have the email and you also have the SMS code. You can choose one. I recommend choosing the SMS. So step number four, enter the security code. That code given to you, enter it, for example, maybe 6093 or even 24431. Enter it. It's always a 4-digit code. Now, step number five, create the new pin. Go ahead and create a new pin, guys. Make sure that the new pin is unique and it should not look like the old pin. And also, the new pin shouldn't be having repeated digits. Now, go ahead and restore your chat history on step number six. And that is basically it. So, thanks for watching, guys. If you found value in this video, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We shall meet once again.